Hey, guess what, man? We get the greatest teacher of all. First grade teacher, but hey, who's a fastest famous chef?
Man in the pan.
Oh yeah, big shot, little man in the pan. Hey, welcome to the Man and the Pan. Today, I'm gonna do something really exciting because I went down to KTA and I found this beautiful Paka. And what I'm gonna do, I'm showing you how to steam the Paka in the microwave and put the hot oil, use the pan. The first thing you do, you get Chinese cabbage. I had it all washed, cut them in about 1-inch slices. Load them up in the dish just like this. Okay, here you go. I got this beautiful Paka. It's about 1.5 pounds, and as you can see, I get one problem, it doesn't fit in the dish. So what I'm going to do, I'll grab the Paka and I'll cut it right in half, just like that. Okay, and I'll make slits over here. Okay, on this side, and I'll make slits on this side. Put half the Paka here, slit on this side, and I slit on this side. Put the other half just like that. Okay. So I have this fermented black beans. How about 2 tablespoons? Okay. I had to wash it. Okay. And I got this chum choy. Washed it also, and I cut this all in small pieces. I got the black beans with the chum choy. Here I also put in some garlic. Chop them up. Chop up the garlic. Okay. Mix it all up together. One more thing is the ginger. Okay. Just about a thumb size. Yeah. There you go. See this fish here? You put it inside all the cavities. You put it underneath the cavities in the hole. Yeah. Just like that. Huh? You load them up. All on top. And inside here. Put a whole bunch inside here. Right in here. Just like this. Okay? What I'm going to do, I'm going to get a saran wrap, cover it, and I'm going to microwave it. Sure, you got the microwavable stuff, right? So it depends on how big your fish is. And this is about 1.5 pounds, so I think I'm going to microwave it for about 10 minutes. Okay? Here we go. Okay, the microwave just went off. So, wow. It smells good already. There you go. Okay? You check inside, make sure it's cooked. Not cooked, you cook a little longer, okay? Put in some shoyu over. I'll show you. Okay? Just sprinkle it on. Dump on some cilantro. Put on green onions if you want. And it looks like that. Okay, now the pan is smoking hot. You turn off the fire. Pour the hot oil over. You can hear it sizzling, right? Okay, just like that. The burger look good, but let's see how it tastes. I got some fish with some cabbage. Mmm! Oh! Oh! Until next week, we'll see you on the Man and the Pan. Mmm! Mmm! Aloha.